I'm going to take my time and work with you on it. Ask me all the questions you need, because after that, every panel's more copy and paste, and we're going to just fly through the software.
Okay.
It's going to be very straightforward.
Okay.
Okay, you see that, right?
Yeah.
What I do is lightly push out the major air particles, right? So you're not fighting it. You're not scooping out all the water.
Just the bubbles.
You're just making the big ones.
Yeah.
Right? Because you don't want it to crease the film. So what you're gonna do is practically just go ahead. Oh, just do it right here.
Someone did it at 350.
Get that. Oh, get this top edge a little bit.
I think it was.
Okay.
You're still using PPF techniques, but carving it in, right? Once I do that,
It sounds great.
you see how fast this is going?
Yeah, this is really cool.
No.
That's done.
Yeah.
Feel it to see if you have any air or anything. It's done.
Yeah, it's really good.
Right? Versus with regular PPF, you have to make sure you're squeegeeing it out, no air pockets or whatever. With the hybrid method, it actually pushes everything out for you.
Oh.
Hence, we're using this squeegee, not that squeegee.
Yeah.
This can work. There's nothing wrong with it, but this one makes it a little bit easier.
It's easier, yeah.
So when I'm telling you this can go on really quick, I wasn't kidding.
Yeah.
Because you see how I'm just casually swiping side to side? All of the air is being pushed out along with the water. You don't see any big water pockets because the air channels are really helping you out on the installation this way. And by us doing this, everything just works out really, really well. I'll lift it up a little bit right here, just to straighten that out. You see that? Let's go this way. This way's already done. Lift this up a little bit. Go this way. Car's done on this side. That's literally it. The way the air release channels work, it's like the grid lines between our fingers, right?
Yeah.
After about 24 to 48 hours, it starts flattening the air release into a solid piece of adhesive, and it allows it to bite 100%, so that it makes it as
That's
if
why
there's
early on it's very easy to remove.
Yeah.
easy to install, very light and airy, so it's very convenient for you as an installer. Go ahead and use the squeegee. Try it out. Butter, right?
Yeah, it's very smooth.
Squeegee and our install method on any average film that does not have an air release, it won't install in about the same way. This is engineered so it works together very well. This tool is just very, very efficient.
Yeah. It worked very well on this, and it was very efficient with everything. I liked it. So.
Good, good. Do you feel confident to be even able to do like a big panel like this on your own?
Yeah.
Just a little pull. Perfect. All right. So it's 12:02. Why don't you show me how fast you can do an A-pillar with our film and that squeegee?
All right, sounds good. There we go. Call it good.
Call it good? Yep. That took you about 22 seconds.
Wow. That was pretty good.
Pretty nice?
Yeah.
If you're to just squeegee this right here, what's going to happen is the air is going to go this way.
Yeah.
And it's not going to help you out any. So by you just taking a little bit of extra time just to doing this in general,
Makes it
everything
big.
goes much smoother. So try that out and push out the rest of the air. You'll be set. Now, with this one, again, I don't like to go too high up because we
Yeah.
have 0.75 of an inch.
Yeah.
But you go too high up, you might risk exposing
Yeah, with
this
the cover on it.
with the cover. So I always like to be safe. As long as it's good enough to cover it, you're good to go. And right now, it looks like it. So realign it. See, everything's practically good at this point because it covers all the holes.
Yeah.
Cuts.
Yeah, just a few cuts. I'll probably just cut like one right there. That way this goes this way, that one goes that way, and then whatever is like in the middle, I'll cut that.
Okay, you ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Oh wow.
You see it?
You stretch it hard. Okay.
We're not stretching it that hard. We're not stretching it that hard.
Just enough to get those corners.
Just enough to
Okay.
get those corners in, right? This is how hard the adhesive bites to a CyberTruck after only 4 hours. So if you're wondering how our air release channel works, yes, it works out really well when you are installing it. It pushes the air out, it pushes the water out when you're installing it via wet. But how does it hold afterwards? Check this out yourself. It's not going anywhere. So if you want your film to hold, it's gonna stay there.
1, 2, 3.